Now, people, for fans of incarcerated dancehall superstar Desmond Ballantyne, more popularly known as Ninja Man, there's good news. As new appeal judges has been added to the appeal court. So it looks like one of the reasons why I want to say Ninja Man free yet, because there was a shortage of appeal court judges. As we see, even Noel Maitland cases never put off because maybe the judges had other cases for them had to look into too. Let me come here, walk on. Look and listen.
Madam Speaker, this increase in the number of judges here in Jamaica is an example of our efforts at advancing justice. The numbers speak for themselves. We have increased the number of judges on all fronts and expanded their capacity to meet growing demands. In the Court of Appeal, judges have increased from 6 to 13. In the Supreme Court, the number of judges have increased from 32 to 42. And in the parish court, we have moved from 50 to 78. And masters and chambers has increased from 3 to its full complement of 8.
Now, the Justice Minister I confirmed the addition of new appeal court judges. If you want to see freedom for Ninja Man, comment freedom for Ninja Man. Drop a like on the video and also share. Now, some people have said they might look forward to see Ninja Man add to the lineup of dancehall artists now released and I bring dancehall music to a higher heights. Even MCs have said since the release of incarcerated dancehall star Vybz Kartel, his career has also seen an increase in support. He must see more money, and more people believe that when Ninja Man is released and added to that list of artists who released from incarceration, he may also bring dancehall music and Jamaican culture to a higher heights. If you agree, as I say, comment and like the video. Maybe can hear from MC Nuffy. They will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
You know, dog, believe you me. That's why I run out of my eye, dog. If you sit down and reminisce, just wake up in my Airbnb, you know. God tell me until the truth. I have cried tears, dog. Them bench me, dog. The man of the stars, them want to see me. The man of the stars, them want to see me. Want to know who is me. Dog, as I want to run out of my eye, youth.
Fresh drop.
Look at these things. You have to talk about it, brother. In a Airbnb, me want in a 3 fucking room. Can't tell you to this youth. You do them thing I youth. Wake up and come in a Airbnb. My clothes, want to run out of my eye youth. See there? My clothes, them just take on the clothes and right there. So, see? And go up in the stairs and invite some people. Street vibes run there. I have inside the Airbnb. They get to me a deal with. And I drink, brother. Water run out of my eye youth. Dog, them bench me. Look what you do to my life youth. Yeah, the stars them wanna see us Jamaica on for proud of the youth, you know. Me that all I show them, not show them miss me. Me that all I show them. What do this for nothing? Yo, you never know it. Yo, dog. Look at the dog. Dog, look at the dog. Never read the youth. Yeah. Yo, that you never know. Look what you do, youth. We me wanna be in a 3 fucking room. Eh? Me not rate you, youth. Yo, remember them bench me. Remember me sit down on the net and me a defend you. All the people saying they not with me and not look at me. And like me, youth. Look what you do, youth. I'm a master blood clot bedroom this. Airbnb. So my clothes on the brother. Cartel, look what you do, youth. Look what you do, youth. Yeah, the fucking stars, they wanna see me, want to know me. Pass me and I say, you ain't enough and shake, man. On the icon, every stars. Look what we do, Jamaican operator youth and name Cartel. I'm a real true king of dancehall. Almost what? With the New York. See? Me say all of the stars them. When me can name. Everybody when me stand up right there, everybody shake me and gonna show me love. One time we want to be the star. Where would I love to shake them and we know every show Cartel, every city go, every rapper, everybody female to male want forward. And come show him love and come be a part of the movements. Jamaican love that youth from prison. He has risen from prison to the stage. I have to cry out because them bench me. Them bench me out. And you come raise me. Rise back the thing and take it to another level out. Big up the team Grinch, same way, big up the whole team. Saying from TJ to Scatter. Big up the promoter CJ same way because she make it possible to Seeing the whole team. Seeing Mooney. Seeing, you know the thing got Bright Light. Sean Storm. Mad Sauce. Seeing better than the whole team. Get me a deal with. Scatter. Aishana. You get me a deal with? Yeah, the whole team. Harvey. Big up Jason. You don't know the liar. The whole team, brother. The whole team. We have to big up everybody with the team. The Shana Chin. The Renee 630. The Sharon. You get me a deal with everybody with the team. You me big up Harvey. Cartel. Yo, I cry, me I cry, you. Look what you do, youth. Look what you do. Jamaican, if you rate a youth like this guy, see them youth here, and him try to help everybody. Says when you hear Maximum, you know, give him when blood clot deserve. See? When I turn up and I defend the youth, a whole heap of people bench me, you know. And I say, oh, cartel no like and cartel and no, and some of them say, nah, come from prison, some of them say, if you do that prison. Look there. I'm there on every show. Him never itch, never glitch, nothing. TJ, big up in the youth. Great road manager, you know. I mean, great manager, you know. Road manager, Scatter, big up, you know. The whole team, you know. Yo, dog, never cry. I mean, not lie, yo. I don't know about some boy, I know when people share with me. I show love. I mean, I
Fresh
appreciate love
drop.
it. Cartel, me appreciate love. Oh, yo. I met me up on the forefront, I run out. And I get some rascal respect and ratings. Boy, all the dog call me. You hear him tell you? You don't touch your devil, no. But like big up, you know. The moment, see, I'm going to take time out and big up my wife too, you know. Because she's behind me more time. So I close them. So I suit them more time. She choose them. See, she go up online more time and choose them. And look and say, my husband, you like this, you love this. The truth is, she not travel. But I just such a stay. See? But I see all these summer people, me and her, and come out to big up my wife. You know, because she dead behind me 100%. And she am a booking agent, and she look for the ticket them, and she do the something them. My wife. You see me? So, Addy, Cartel, yo, I'm big up your youth them too, you know. Seeing, look Addy, look vibes. And the other look one, me just know him last night. Cartel! Me not care what no man want to say, or nobody want to say. Youth, you come change the game, change everything. Dancehall is on the top of the pinnacle. See? You come show them so we can go to another level with it. And some boy and some girl, all your Rasta boy, chat him out Rasta boy. Where chat with your bad mind. Where you do the selector them all the while and keep clash show and go and pay selector where you feel like you pay them and come and chat up your mouth. Artists get real money. Cartel come change the game. Yeah. Yo, Instagram big up in a kind of thing. Later, Cartel, you start well, you hit the chart well, give the G where him deserve. Money, 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 money. Boom.
Now tell me you think. Of course, one thing we can say is, without a doubt, since Vybz Kartel released from incarceration, I don't know if I the love that he has gained while behind the bars, or just the fact say, yo, people not see him, or the fact that he was like a myth. Somebody with other people that tell other people about. Remember the amount of Jamaicans and Caribbean fans were overseas now. We are tell overseas fans say, yo, dancehall music, yeah. And this is one of our favorite dancehall artists. So I guess even while behind the bars, Vybz Kartel has gained more fans. So and just the fans them we know him before him incarcerated. We also have fans who know him since incarceration. They have never seen him perform. Them see videos and pictures, but they've never seen him perform. So just seeing him perform, I bring that level of excitement. The fans are clearly excited. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think. Of course, if you want to say freedom for Ninja Man, me I tell you, comment freedom for Ninja Man in the comment section. Drop a like on the video. And of course, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is of course want to live, love and prosper. And also if you want to stay tuned until the reason again. As we can say, as of late, we have seen more support for Ninja Man. We even hear more people ask, oh, we now hear more people. I say freedom for Ninja Man. So we have started a social call. We have pastors that talk about Ninja Man now in the church. So I guess more Jamaicans, our Jamaican society. And if you notice, before Vybz Kartel was released, there was more of society saying, them believe say him free. Or them believe say him innocent rather. It wasn't just the fans. Most people that say, "Your boy Cartel do him time," and let him out. And we see the same being said about Ninja Man. Most people that say, "Boy, Ninja Man do him time, man. Let him out. Freedom for him." So, as I said, tell me what you think. Until the reason again, live up and prosper and stay tuned.